Welcome back to my channel. Heart is the heart hearting. It's the heart hearting. Today, we have another wig install. I know, we're all tired, but I'm never tired of looking good. So you just gonna have to be mad. You just gonna have to be mad. Today's video is sponsored by ULAHAIR. And I actually do have to, I'm supposed to meet my friend at the movies in like 45 minutes. So I really do have to hurry up. So this is gonna be something quick, fast, you know, real snappy like, cause I really have to go. I really have to go. I don't wanna miss the credits. The credits tell you what movie comes up next. It's not the credits, it's the previews. But we knew that. We knew that. Yeah, they sent me this wig. Let's open her up. I already bleached the knots and everything and plucked the wig, you know, a few days ago, I think. And tinted the lace. So here she is. Here she is. Ah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with Miss Thing. But we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Y'all know how that song go. But boom, bop, bing, 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 bing. I think this is 30 inches. This is 30 inches. Of course, like I'll show like the whole, like how it looks on me and everything like that when I get done. But yeah, so this is what we're doing today. Of course, all the information for the hair and everything like that will be linked in the description box below. So, you know, go ahead and get you a nice cute wig so we can be evil twin, period. But yeah, I have to hurry up. Like for real. And y'all know I love to be late. I'm not gonna do that today because I'm trying to, what's it called? See the light and get myself right. All right, let's go. It's just the fact that I have 30 minutes. Oh my God. Ooh, y'all better hope I'm not late because this is about to, that would be so embarrassing. Well, it's me, so I guess not.
One way. 'cause it's on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
What's 15 minus 7? 8. I have to leave in 8 minutes, but I'm pretty much done with my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on makeup and all this stuff, and then I'll show y'all when I get back. Wait. Okay. Dang. Oh. Okay, but yeah, the hair is 30 inches. So hold on. Yes, ma'am. It comes all the way down. It's pretty much touching my nipples. So. Period. Ew. I really do have to go. I really do have to go. Goodbye. Okay, so we're done. It's like hours later. It's like almost 3 a.m. But, you know, are we surprised? We're not. Anyway, so I'm done with my hair. Like, y'all pretty much saw. Girl, I had to do my hair so fast. And it came out so good. Should we applaud ourselves? Yes, we should. But yeah, this hair is 30 inches. Hey, bump. So, yeah. Yeah, this jacket is hot as hell. Or maybe it's just my apartment. Something is hot. I think it's me. See, you see how I set that up to just call myself hot, flying, sexy. You know, not too much. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for coming with me on this journey to rushing to not be late somewhere. And I was late to the movies. Are we surprised? We shouldn't be. But yeah, this hair is from ULAHAIR. Of course, all of the information like that will be linked in the description box below. So, you know, we can be evil twin. But yeah, 30 inches. I do not know what curl pattern this is. But you know what we'll know? The description box. So thank you. All right. Yeah, that's about wraps up today's video. Don't forget to create your own happiness. And I will see you the next time we decide to get cute together. I see us. We look good. Twin. Bye. I love you.